Hey there, Sunshine. So today I'm going to be unboxing the October Tribe Beauty Box. And okay, before we get into this unboxing, I want to give you guys a little bit of a background. So Boxycharm is literally the best subscription box in the entire world. It is my favorite subscription box. I just love how it's affordable. At least for me, it's $20 a month, and in it you get 4 to 5 full-size products. And most of the time you get products from luxury or high-end brands. I mean, sometimes I do get indie products and sometimes I do get more affordable options, but it's $20 in a month, and in each box you get over $100 value. It is literally the quickest way that I have grown my makeup collection. I have a plethora of eyeshadow palettes just because of Boxycharm. So basically Tribe Beauty Box relates because it's comparable to Boxycharm. The only thing is Tribe Beauty Box is $40, but it's every 2 months. So you get 1 box every 2 months or 6 boxes a year. This is $40 a month. So for the price of 1 Tribe Beauty Box, you can get 2 Boxycharms. I have Boxycharm and I have Tribe Beauty Box. I think this is my second box with Tribe Beauty Box, but I'm really excited to get into it and show you guys what is in here because honestly, I'm hype about it. So basically, I think the exterior of the box is just so freaking cute. Like, I love it so much. It's just like, it's so different. It's not like any other subscription box that I have except for FabFitFun. But FabFitFun isn't makeup. FabFitFun is lifestyle. I don't remember if Tribe Beauty offers like a set dollar amount in each box, but I can totally go through that later and talk about that with you guys. So the first thing that I'm pulling out, I'm so excited, is from the makeup eraser. I already took the little cloth out, but basically all you have to do with this is you put water on it and then you wipe it off. So it's a reusable makeup wipe. I have so many of these. I also have a couple versions of the makeup eraser in glove format. It's so handy because literally it does get off, like it takes off my makeup so incredibly well. I can literally like get in and like rub at my lashes and get off lash glue and mascara, and it doesn't like sting because I'm not getting like chemical makeup remover in my eye. It's just like water. All you need is water and this, and it feels nice because like I put warm water on it, so it's like, ooh, luxury. And I don't have to spend, besides saving the environment, you're not throwing away and wasting cotton pads and makeup wipes. I look at it from a financial aspect, and while these are a little bit on the pricier side, if you think about what you spend in a year on makeup wipes compared to like 2 or 3 of these cloths, literally you will save so much money. So I love using these. These are something that I've already had as a staple in my makeup routine for a long time now. But I'm really excited to see that other people will be having the chance to try out such an amazing makeup remover. The next thing that I'm pulling out is from Masker Aid Purifying Cleansing Stick with Red Bee. And then it says, let's face it. Oh my god, look how cute the packaging is. I don't know if you guys can see, but there's a woman on here and she's like in an active, oh, you can probably see it now because she's got in like active gear. So it says, let's face it, we all want to do the most in the shortest amount of time. This mild but mighty multi-cleanser delivers high intense effects in a few easy steps. A portable oil to lather stick that cleanses, removes makeup, and balances and nourishes your skin. Look how cute the product, the inside of the package is. Okay, I just saw it like when I pulled this out and I looked at it. I didn't read, I just like looked through the box. I always thought that this was just like a like an exfoliator, like the Tarte friction stick, but no, this will remove your makeup. So this is what the inside of it looks like, and I don't know if you guys can see, but I love the like different color. Like we have pink and it's got like purple lumps in it, which I'm gonna assume is like the beet extract. Plus there's literally so much in here. Like look, we're gonna keep going for a little bit because there's a lot of product in here. So I've never heard of this company, but I love the idea of a portable makeup remover. So this is how much we have in there. Like, isn't that actually, no, I think we still have some more. Oh, no, yeah, there's still more. We're still going. So I hate having like so many products out on the counter because I have like my makeup remover, my cleanser, my face wash, my exfoliator, but this is like literally an all-in-one type of product. And if you're traveling, you can just throw it in your bag and go and not be upset if you lose like $8 million worth of skincare, because you can just carry around this one stick and it can replace your skincare for a couple nights. So look how much we have in there. That's literally so much, and it's gonna last you a little while. The next thing that I'm pulling out is from Crown brushes, and this is just a blush brush from Crown. So it's a full-size brush. I love receiving brushes in my makeup boxes. I'm always getting, like more recently, I've gotten so much from Crown brushes. I'm not complaining because I mean they have really nice brushes, but so yeah, this is a blush brush. This didn't come like with anything else. It's literally just this blush brush. The next thing that I'm pulling out is another set of brushes. This is from Mata Pro Makeup Brushes Smoky Eye. I already have the crease and smudger brush. Literally, I use that brush all the freaking time. It is like one of my all-time favorite makeup brushes to do eye makeup with because it's double-ended and it's so easy to use. I'm just gonna go ahead and pull this out of the plastic container so we can look at the brushes better. So the first brush in this kit is eye shader. And then the other brush that we have in here is a crease brush and a smudger brush. So this side is this brush is double-ended. So we got 3 brushes in our Tribe Beauty box. We have a blush brush from Crown Brushes. We have a crease and smudger brush from Royal, why does it say Modipro, but then it says Royal and Land Nickel. Oh, that's because this is the, okay, never mind. We have makeup brushes from Royal and Land Nickel, not Modipro, you ding dong. That's all on me, guys. Sorry about that. And so then we have this crease and smudge brush. This, like, literally is so amazing to use because you can use this to set your eye makeup. So you can put your concealer down or your primer down, set, and then you can put in your crease. You can use it to smoke out anything, and then if you want, you can literally just go in and, like, I mean, I know you're not supposed to, like, I know that that's not what this brush is for, but if I'm in a rush, I will literally just take the tips of this brush and just tap in a metallic shade and go, or I will use the smudge brush and, like, tap in, just do that across and go, and then I'll take whatever metallic shade and smoke it out on my bottom lash line. This is like the brush I take with me if I'm like, okay, I know I'm going to be having to change eye makeup looks a lot today, but I don't want to, like, take up 10 million pounds of space. I will use this brush. It's so easy to use and it's super easy to clean. But I've never tried this out before, so it's like a travel makeup look ready and go. The next thing that I'm pulling out, I am so excited to talk to you guys about because I've never seen this before ever in my life. So this is the Ombre Kiss Proof from Bella Pierre Cosmetics Transfer Proof Lip Collection. Hold up. Okay, so we've got this giant box, right? Boom. So we have 2 lipsticks and, or I don't know if they're both lipsticks, but we have 2 lipsticks and a lip pencil. And basically you're supposed to be able to do an ombre look with this collection. So here is the trio that we have. And then here are all the different ombre looks that you can achieve with this Ombre Kiss Proof collection from Bella Pierre Cosmetics. So basically the shades that we have are Kiss Proof Lip Cream in 40S Red. Then we have a Kiss Proof Lip Cream in Nude and a gel lip liner in Truly Red. So of course we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna swatch everything. Maybe we're gonna put everything on because I only literally have lip gloss on. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do swatches of everything real quick, and then I'm gonna apply everything and try to give myself my first ever ombre lip. I've literally never have tried that before. So the first thing that I'm swatching is this Bella Pierre Truly Red Gel Lip Liner, and this is a very red. That's really pretty and went on super smooth. It didn't drag. The next thing that I have is this nude lip cream. So this is supposed to be kiss proof. It's supposed to be transfer proof. We're gonna try that out as well. Gorgeous. That's really pretty. And the best thing is like you don't even have to like use all of these. You literally got free lip products in this box, which is absolutely so amazing. You don't have to use all 3 of them together. You can pair them up with other looks and other lip products. And now I'm swatching the red lip cream. That was on me. That I accidentally lifted my hand too early. So here are the 3 colors that we have. So pretty. I hope they dry down because it does say matte. Didn't it say matte? I don't know. But here are the 3 lip products that we have. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to try applying ombre lips. I've never done that before, but we're going to see how it goes. Okay, so this is my very first ever attempt at doing an ombre lip liner, and I have to say it actually went so much easier than I ever expected it to. I have never done ombre lips because I never feel like I have lip products to like actually do an ombre lip with. Like I have like 2 lip liners and that's literally it, and so I don't feel like I've ever had the arsenal of products to be able to do an ombre lip liner. But I have to say it's not bad. It's actually not terrible whatsoever. I do find that the formula for the 2 lip creams are a little tacky. Like that's annoying, but I could set that with setting powder and take that away. I personally would love to put on a lip gloss on top of this. I do find that they're taking a little while to dry on the back of my hand. I also don't feel like the lip liner really stopped a bleeding of the dark red. Like the dark red really kind of bled on the outer corners of my lip, especially on my bottom lip. And I do feel like I could add in a little bit of pink, but I kind of want to see how the formula dries with like 1 coat on. I mean, it was very like full pigment. It wasn't like patchy. It wasn't too sheer. Like it went on, the color went on, and that went on beautifully. I just feel like the formula is tacky, and I do feel like the red kind of bled outside of my lips, so I had to go in and clean up with some concealer and a beauty blender. The last thing that I'm pulling out of my Tribe beauty box is this Meet Max Schmaker eyeshadow palette. I freaking love this palette so much. Literally, when I pulled it out and I did swatches of it, it was so freaking gorgeous. Okay, so like the packaging is cool and everything. I've never actually owned a full-size eyeshadow palette from The Balm. I do have some like singular shades, but like, okay, we have a nice mirror, like fun and everything, but look at the palette itself. So gorgeous. Here's my complaint about this palette. When I was going through and I was doing swatches, I have to say that I feel like the pans are kind of small, so it's really easy just to accidentally get my finger and my brush in the other pan. So I would swatch the metallic, and some of the metallic pigment would fall up into the matte shade. But I think the packaging is really, really cute, and I actually like this pan right here. Like, oh, actually the whole bottom row. I can't even say that. The bottom row is my favorite, but I actually just love everything about this palette. Like, it's so freaking pretty. I can't really talk too much about like the wear of the palette because I haven't worn this, but when I was swatching, everything was so incredibly pigmented. So I just want to give you guys an idea of what the swatches of this palette look like. I mean, like, even the dark brown and the black are like full on. Like, there isn't any patchiness. Like, I have the problem so many times with Boxycharm. Like, Boxycharm will send me a lot of palettes, and I feel like half of the palette is a hit with the metallics and half of the palette is a miss with the mattes. But this, the only questionable shade is matte matte stew pack, and this is the only one that I've had problems with, and that's the one that I've honestly had the most pigment from metallic transfer over into the matte. But everything is so incredibly gorgeous. Like, I can't wait to play with this palette because it's so pretty. Here's my arm so you guys can have like a better angle of all the swatches, but like, look how gorgeous it is. I honestly like, I feel like these two rows kind of would make like great separate palettes, but I feel like all together it's a very unique and totally wearable. Like, you have your daytime and then you have your nighttime section. So I feel like this palette is honestly like really well put together, and I'm so impressed with the formulation of the mattes. Like, again, like, this is really the only shade, which is the matte stew pack one, that I have problems with, but everything else, especially the dark brown and the black, are the two shades that I am honestly the most impressed with. But I love all of metallics too. So I'm really happy with everything that I got in my October Tribe box, and I can't wait to see what they send me in another 2 months. What was your favorite product in this box? What is something that you really hope to see in my next Tribe Beauty box? Can't wait to hear from you guys in the comment section down below. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video.